Hey kids, did you get the breakout Christmas present of 2017?
Yeah.
A DVD player?
Yeah.
Well, that means you won't need these anymore.
No.
Remember these?
Yeah.
The kind of crap that you had to tape The Simpsons on, or Oprah, or tape over Oprah with The Simpsons.
Yeah.
So what would you do with this piece of junk anymore?
There must be something that we could do with
It
these.
is full of stupid tape. What would you do with that? All that shiny, beautiful, glistery, yummy tape.
Don't eat it, that's for sure. Maybe we could put it on an airplane.
Oh,
Whoa!
wow.
Hey, let's fly it and see what it does. How does that sound?
Wow! Wow!
Yeah! You ready, Nate?
Yeah.
Let's go! Wow, this is way more fun than I've ever had watching anything on those VHSs.
So majestic.
DVDs rule! Gee, look at that sad little plane. That sure was fun though, wasn't it?
Sure was. And thanks again for buying our DVD.
Yeah,
Catch
stay
us
tuned.
next week.
Yeah, next week for cassette tapes.
Next DVD
Next
installation.
It's in a week.
It'll
It's
come
really
out next
fast.
week. And it's all about putting vinyl records on planes.
That's right. See you later. I'm not gonna hit you, buddy. Although I might, so ducking is really a good idea.
Get The Simpsons on, or Oprah, or tape over Oprah with The Simpsons.
Yeah!
So what would you do with this piece of junk anymore?
There must be something that we could do with
It is
these.
full of stupid tape.
Oh, that's so sad. Look at its little wheel. It just went clunk.